Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Premiere Pro custom LUTs for consistent cinematic looks, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable custom LUTs in Adobe Premiere Pro, start by launching the software. Open your project or create a new one. Select the sequence you want to edit. Navigate to the Color workspace by clicking on the Color tab at the top. In the Color workspace, locate the Lumetri Color panel. If you do not see the Lumetri Color panel, go to Window, then click on Lumetri Color. Once the Lumetri Color panel is open, go to the Basic Correction section. Look for the Input LUT option. Click on the drop-down menu beside Input LUT. Choose Browse from the options provided. Navigate to the location where your custom LUT files are stored. Select the desired LUT file and click Open. You will see the LUT applied to your footage instantly. For better control, you can adjust the intensity of the LUT using the amount slider. Next, if you want to save your custom LUT for future projects, go back to the Lumetri Color panel. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the panel. Select Save LUT. Name your LUT and choose the destination folder. Click Save to store your LUT. Now, you can easily access this LUT in future projects by following the same LUT browsing steps. Continue to refine your footage using other sections of the Lumetri Color panel for color adjustments. This process allows for consistent cinematic looks across all your projects. Experiment with multiple LUTs to find the style that best suits your vision. Always remember to work non-destructively by duplicating your clips or using adjustment layers if needed. Review your final output to ensure the LUT complements the overall aesthetic of your project. Once satisfied, you are ready to export your video. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.